I love a challenge. I always have, even before I lost my sight. I lead a team of 12 people here at IBVI. Nearly all of us are blind or visually impaired. I'm sure most people think, what would I do if I were faced with not being able to see? I couldn't do it. I say that's absolutely not true.
At IBVI, we are in pursuit of what appear to be out of reach, a workspace where there are no boundaries imposed on our employees' abilities. Oracle Cloud application has transformed the way that we empower employees here at IBVI.
I think that a lot of us don't recognize that the human animal is fierce and strong, and we truly can overcome anything that gets thrown our way.